How we doing, everybody, and welcome back to the Catalyst, where we break down all things bullish in the crypto markets. Today we are going to be talking about ADA. I haven't done a whole lot of technical analysis on ADA, but ADA has also been relatively stagnant since basically the beginning of September. We've just been kind of in this steady decline, just kind of going down and down like this for the last couple months. With that being said, though, we do have this kind of trend line here from the top that has been kind of, it doesn't seem to be too active in terms of how it's, affecting price and action and everything like that. But it's kind of the only thing we have, at least going from the top of that. Additionally, we could be seeing a potential really elongated support bar here coming from the previous low all the way up, and I believe this could even potentially find some support further back, depending on how far back you go. So we are in this kind of giant wedge. This could obviously be modified. Something like this might be a little more accurate. Shows that we had a breakout and then we came back, slid under it, found some resistance along it the whole way. We had a bit of a fake out here when we went from like $2 to $2.40, and now we slipped under it, and now we're finding some support here. So if you watched any of the videos earlier in the week, I was pointing out this price point here, the $1.78. After this big red candle, I made a video saying now's the time to buy, and I think it was a good time to buy. We had two really strong green candles since then. We had one really strong one. Today we're starting off pretty strong as well. We're up 5% on the day. I would look for us to flip this trend line here and obviously get over the $2 price point as well, because that's a pretty important level for us. If we can flip that and flip above that as well, or even just flip our 20 EMA into support instead of resistance, you can see here this green line. It was previously support. We slipped under it, and it's been resistance kind of ever since. We need to flip that to get ADA to be super bullish. The thing I will say about ADA, though, is, as you guys know, when ADA rips, ADA rips. We went from $1 to $3.11 in about a month and a half, and a lot of those gains even just came in the last 14 days of that run, 15 days of that run, 66%. So ADA is not something you want to wait on necessarily, because when it runs, and it has huge days where it has 10-15% gains, even 20% gains. So you want to be in on that, and we know what ADA is doing, what it's capable of. So I would just keep it on your radar. Our RSI is still pretty low, pretty healthy. We have been under the 50% mark pretty much since September. So if we just drew a horizontal line here, you can see it's been resistance for quite some time. If we break that and it's not a fake out, see, the last time we broke it, we went up as high as $2.40. If we break this, this could be the next run up for ADA. So I would consider, just stacking your bags a bit on ADA. It might be a good time to buy, especially if we get some confirmation on flipping the 20 into support and all of these other critical kind of supports and resistances. If they're all confirmed as support, could be a good time to load up. Alrighty, so that is all I got for you guys on ADA today, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.